Hello everyone. In this part 15 of applications of derivatives, we will do the solutions of questions related to maxima and minima. So let's start with question number 1. Show that the altitude of the right circular cone of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 4r by 3. Also find maximum volume in terms of volume of sphere. So this is the sphere and this is the cone inscribed in this sphere. O is the axis. Now O is the center. We can take now this is the radius. Let capital R be the radius of cone and capital H be the height of the cone. So if this capital H, this R, this should be R. So what this become H minus R. Now in right angle triangle OAB, what we are observing, R square is equals to R square plus H minus R whole square. It means R square is equals to R square plus H square plus R square minus 2HR. It means R square is equals to 2HR plus 2HR minus H square. So this is the value of R square and this is the equation number 1. Now volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square into h. V is equals to, substitute the value of this, pi by 3 r square 2hr minus h square into h from equation 1. So once this is from equation 1, what we will get now? V is equals to pi by 3. It means 2h square r minus h cube. It implies that dv over dh is equals to pi by 3 4 hr minus 3 h square. Now dv over dh is equals to 0. It implies that 4 hr minus 3 h square is equals to 0. It means h is equals to 4r by 3. So one part is already proved, that the altitude is 4r by 3. Now we will find out d2v over dh square. d2v over dh square means pi by 3. But this become 4r minus 6h d2v over dh square at r is h is equals to 4r by 3. It means what this become pi by 3 4r minus 6 4r by 3. It means 3 to the 6. It means what this become minus 4r and this is 8r. It means minus 4 pi r by 3, which is less than 0. Therefore volume of cone is maximum. Volume of cone is maximum. Now we have to find out the volume of cone in terms of volume of sphere. So from equation 1 we have r square is equals to 2hr minus h square. It means r square is equals to 2 4r by 3 into r minus 16r square upon 9. So r square is equals to, what is common? 8r square is common. So what is left? When 8r square is common, 1 upon 3 minus this is 2 upon 9. It means r square is equals to 8r square. 9 is the LCM. 3 minus 2. It means r square is equals to 8 by 9 and this is r square. Now volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square means 8r square upon 9 into 4r by 3. It means V is equals to 8 by 9 4 upon 3 pi r cube. It means volume of cone is equals to 8 by 9, sorry, 8 by this is 3 8 by 27 volume of sphere. So this is the way to do this question, which is very very important. Now let's start with the solution of question number 2. Now in question number 2, a wire of length 28 cm is to be cut into two pieces. One of the pieces is to be made in the form of a square and one is in the form of a circle. Find the lengths of two pieces so that combined area of a square and circle is minimum. So let us suppose A denote the combined area of a square and circle whose side and radius be x and r respectively. Now it means we have 28 is equals to, what is this thing, perimeter, 4x plus what is radius is r. It means circumference will be 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equals to 28. This is the equation number 1. Now we have to prove that area is minimum. So area is equals to x square plus what is this, pi r square. From this equation, first equation, substitute the value of x. So then we will put the value of x. What will come? 28 minus 2 pi r upon 4 and this is whole square plus pi r square. Now a is equals to, what we are observing, we will do the differentiation. Before this, if anything is common, we can take. So what is common? We are observing 2 is common. It means when it will come from square, it will come 4. 4 upon 16 is common. So but this become 14 minus pi r whole square plus pi r square. It means a is equals to 1 upon 4, 14 minus pi r whole square plus pi r square. Now dA by dr means 1 upon 4, 2 into 14 minus pi r into what is this thing, minus pi, and this is plus 2 pi r. Now first of all simplify this thing. dA by dr is equals to minus pi by 2, 14 minus pi r, and what is this, 2 pi r. Now dA by dr is equals to 0. It implies that what is this, 2 pi r is equals to pi by 2 into 14 minus pi r. Pi cancel out. It means r is equals to 4r is equals to 14 minus pi r. It means r is equals to 14 upon what is this thing, pi plus 4. Now we will find out d2a by dr square. d2a by dr square means what is this, minus pi by 2. Now this is 0. It means what is this, minus pi and plus 2 pi. Now d2a by dr square at r is equals to 14 upon 4 plus pi. But we are observing this is pi upon 2 plus 2 pi which is greater than 0. Therefore area is minimum. Area is minimum. Now one part is over, that we have already find out the area. Now first of all we will find out length. But we have to find out length of two pieces. It means length of first piece. What is the length of first piece? 4x. It means what this become, 56 upon 4 plus pi. Now for length of second piece, first of all we will find out the value of r, because we have, r we have already there. Now I think 4x, this is the length of first piece will be pi r is 2 pi r. Length of first piece is, because we have already r in the form of this, so length of second piece or first piece, you can first piece and here mention circle. So length of first piece in the form of circle, it means which is equals to 2 pi r. It implies that this is 28 pi upon 4 plus pi. Now length of second piece is equals to, what is this, 4x. From equation, look at this thing, what is the value of 4x, 28 minus 2 pi r. From equation 1, it means 28 minus 28 pi upon 4 plus pi. What is common? 28 is common. So what this left, 4 plus pi is the LCM. It means 4 plus pi minus pi. It means 28 into 4. This is 2. This is 112 upon 4 plus pi. Or it implies that 112 upon pi plus 4. And this is the answer. Now let's start with the solution of question number 3rd. Now look at this thing in question number 3rd. The sum of perimeters of a square and circle is k, where k is a constant. Show that the sum of their areas is least when the side of the square is equal to the diameter of the circle. I choose this question because with the help of this question, I want to show another method. This method we can use in previous question also. So whatever you are finding, it is quite easy. That one you can apply in exam also. So let A denote the sum of area of square of side x and circle of radius r. It means A is equals to x square plus, what is this thing? Pi r square. Now differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x. But we will find out dA by dx is equals to 2x plus pi into 2r into dr by dx. This is by chain rule. So let us suppose this is the equation number 1. Now it is given that their perimeter is constant, sum of perimeter. It means P is equals to, but we have P. P is equals to 4x plus 2 pi r. So we have this perimeter 4x plus 2 pi r. And this P is equals to K, which is constant. It means 4x plus 2 pi r is equals to K. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. It means what this become? 4 plus 2 pi r dr by dx is equals to 0. It means dr by dx is equals to minus 2 upon pi. Now from equation 1 what we are observing? dA by dx is equals to 2x plus 2 pi r, and what is this? Minus 2 upon pi. It means dA by dx is equals to 2x and minus 4r. Now dA by dx is equals to 0. It implies that 2x minus 4r is equals to 0. It implies that x is equals to 2r. So first part is over, that we have to show that side of the square is equals to the diameter of the circle. Now we have to show that the perimeter is sum of the areas is least. Now d2a by dx square means what is this? 2, because x is 1, minus 4 dr by dx. Substitute the value of dr by dx, minus 4. What is the value of dr by dx? Minus 2 upon pi. It means d2a by dx square is equals to, but this become 2 plus 8 upon pi. Now d2a by dx square at x is equals to 2r, 2 plus 8 upon pi, which is greater than 0. Therefore what we have to prove? That their areas is least. Therefore areas, sum of their areas are least. So this is the way. This is also the another way which is very, very important. Now on the basis of this, give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.